Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Write the equation of a circle with center 2, 3 and radius 5. So what we are going to do first is we are going to start with the general equation. Now what does that look like? It looks like this. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So that is our very first step. We start with the general equation. Now the center has the coordinates 2, 3. So that means a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Do you guys agree? And the radius is equal to 5. That information has been given as well. So now we substitute these values into the formula. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and r is equal to 5. So now we'll have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 5 squared. And then you can simplify the right hand side. 5 squared is equal to 25. So the final answer will then be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. That is your final answer. Let's have a look at question 2. A circle has the equation x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. Find the center and the radius. Find the center and the radius. So I'm going to write down the standard form one more time. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. So I want us to have a look at this equation that they've given us and then compare it to the standard form. So first, let's look at the x brackets. We have x minus 4. We have x minus 4. So that means the x coordinate of the center is equal to 4. Okay, now look at the y brackets. We have y plus 1. And this can actually be rewritten. This can actually be rewritten as y minus 1. Okay, so that means the y coordinate of the center is equal to -1. Right, so the center has the coordinates 4, -1. Now we find the radius. So the right hand side is 36. So that means r squared is equal to 36. Now we don't want to know the value of r squared. We want to know the value of r, just the radius. So we add a square root on this side. The square root and the square will cancel out. So we are just left with the letter r, the radius. Whatever we do on the one side, we have to do on the other side as well. So we have to add a square root to this side as well. What is the square root of 36? It is equal to 6. So that means the radius is equal to 6. So our final answer will then be the center is equal to 4, -1. So the x coordinate is 4, the y coordinate is -1, and the radius is equal to 6.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.